Okay, so go. It's summertime. You're stood in your garden and you take a long, deep, sensual sniff. I know I've done it and I love it. But why do we love it so much? Because actually, it's the smell of pain. Yep, that's right. That smell when you cut your lawn has a much darker side to it. Leafy plants like grass release a number of volatile organic compounds called green leaf volatiles or GLVs. And when those plants get injured, they release these chemicals like crazy. And it's these chemicals that creates that fresh summer smell that we all love. This rush of chemicals does a number of things. Some of the compounds stimulate the growth of new cells at the wound site, closing the wound to begin the healing process. Others act like antibiotics, helping to prevent bacterial infection and fungal growth, and a few of them spur the production of defensive compounds at unwounded sites as a sort of preemptive fortification. Not only do they do all that, but some of these compounds act like a distress signal, sending out an SOS to the environment, like tiny little soldiers calling for the cavalry. And the cavalry can come in unlikely forms. Take, for example, the coyote tobacco plant. When a caterpillar starts munching on one of these, the leaves waft volatile compounds that attract predatory and parasitoid insects that hunt down and gorge themselves on the caterpillars and their eggs. So, if these chemicals are a plant's way of repelling predators, why do we love the smell of freshly cut grass so much? So much even that perfume makers try and imitate it. Yes, grass perfume. It's real. Look it up. Well, no one is really sure why we love the smell so much, but in one study published by the Oxford Journal, researchers found that the smell can reduce stress in monkeys, and considering we share a common ancestor with them, that could be a clue. Another theory is that because the odour helps plants ward off bacterial infections, it may be that we associate it with fresh vegetables that are ripe to eat. So maybe that's why. Either way, whatever the reason, just know next time you're sat in your deck chair, admiring your garden, that you are a very, very bad person.